We've solved this linear system with three variables using basic arithmetic operations. And now let's solve the same system by translating it to an augmented matrix. We'll have the coefficients to the left of this line and the constants on the right hand side to the right. So we're going to select the row operations to simplify the system each time. So first, we'll multiply one row or equation by a constant. So I'm going to multiply this by a third, and therefore we obtain the following result, which is 1, 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. So basically we've done the same thing to the first equation. Effectively isolating x. And now we'll copy this down. So the next goal would be to get rid of x from the second and third equation. So what we do is subtract 2 multiplied by row 1 from the second equation, and we subtract 1 multiplied by row 1 from the third equation. So for the second equation, we obtain 2 minus 2 by 1, which is 0, and minus 1, which is minus 3/3, minus 2/3 is minus 5/3, and 3 is 9/3, minus 2/3 is 7/3, and 0 minus 2/3 is minus 2/3. So what we've done is gotten rid of x and obtained the following coefficients for y and z. And on the right hand side we have minus 2/3. Now for the third equation, we get 1 minus 1, which is 0, minus 6/3 minus a third is minus 7/3, and minus 3/3 minus a third is minus 4/3, and minus 6/3 minus a third is minus 7/3. So again we eliminated x and replaced the coefficients of y and z. And on the right hand side we have minus 7/3. So you can see that we're simplifying our system each time. And now let's copy this down. So in the next step, we're going to get rid of the coefficient of y. So we'll multiply row 2 by minus 3 on 5. So we have 0, 1, minus 7 on 5, and 2 on 5. So consequently, our second equation is modified as follows. So we have y being isolated, minus 7 on 5 by z is equal to 2/5. And now we copy this again. So we want to eliminate y from the third equation. So we're going to add 7/3 multiplied by row 2 to the third row. So we have 0 plus 7/3 by 0, and minus 7/3 plus 7/3 is 0, and then minus 4/3 minus 7/3 by 7/5. So that would get you minus 23 on 5. And then minus 7/3 plus 7/3 by 2/5, which will get you minus 7/5. So now in the third equation, y disappears, and the coefficient of z becomes minus 23 on 5. And on the right hand side, we have minus 7 on 5. So copying the result. And now we want to remove the coefficient behind z. So we multiply the third row by minus 5 on 23. So we get 0, 0, 1, and 7 on 23. So as you can see, we've solved for z, which is 7 on 23. And now let's copy this result down again. So now we can zero out z to solve for y by adding 7 on 5, multiply by row 3 to the second row. So what we get is 0 plus 7 on 5 by 0, 1 plus 7 on 5 by 0, minus 7 on 5 plus 7 on 5 by 1, and then 2 on 5 plus 7 on 5 by 7 on 23, which gives 19 on 23. So therefore in our second equation, we got rid of z, and on the right hand side, we got 19 on 23. So we've solved for y. And I'll leave it for you to finish this off by zeroing out these terms to solve for x, and the result you should get is x is minus 1 on 23. As we've done before, by solving this system by elimination and substitution.